Okay, if you're working with an iPad or an iPhone, there are two apps that you definitely want to find on your device. And if you deleted them, go back and get them. They're both Apple products. The first is Files. The second is Notes. Okay, so Files is just like a Windows Explorer or Finder. It shows you all the locations of where your documents are and keeps it organized with folders. So you'll notice in the upper right hand corner there's a folder with a plus here, so I'm going to hit that and I'm going to call this Practice. And I now have a folder stored on my iPad that I can put files, either pictures or PDFs or other documents. If I go back here, you'll notice there are other locations. I can do iCloud Drive, which is a cloud-based, but I want an iPad on here or on my phone, so it's a little easier to find. The next one is Notes, and I'm going to do the same thing here. Down in the bottom left corner, there's a file folder with a plus sign, so I'm going to create a folder called Practice. Hit save. Then I'm going to navigate into that, and now I can either create a note using the little box and a pen, or I can even just use this camera, which is what I want to do here today. So I'm going to hit the little camera, and I'm not going to take a photo. What I want to do is scan a document. Okay, it's a little bit different, so I'm going to hold it over this little thing, this packet of seeds, and you'll notice it's trying to find the edges. It automatically detects edges. So I'm just going to put it in manual mode, and I'm going to take a picture, and then I can adjust these corners to what I actually want it to be as my scan. So I'll just do that real quickly, and then I can say keep scan. And then I'm going to get my next one down here, which is corn. I'm going to do the exact same thing. You could let it do auto. Auto will try and find corners, but it can be confused by colors. That was kind of blurry. That's okay, it worked. I'll do the same thing. I'll hit keep scan. And now on the bottom you can see save to. So it's got both of those in there. I can click on below and say this is a scan document. Okay, and then that's now saved on my iPad in Notes, but I may need to move it along. So I'm going to click on these three little dots on the top, and I can do a couple of things. I'm going to hit move note right now. Actually, I'll hit send a copy. That's what I'll do first. So send a copy, I can send it by email, text. I can transfer it to OneDrive, OneNote. There's a whole bunch of options. So if I hit mail, what's really cool here, and you'll see the attachment, it's actually a PDF in the attachment. So it's done all the work for me. So it's taken my images, it's made them into one document, and it's made it a PDF, and I can email this to myself and then work with it. Or I can go to save to files, navigate to where I had on my iPad, navigate to where my practice folder is, and I can hit save. And just like that, if I go back to my files folder, practice, you'll see there is my seeds scan, and it's a PDF, 1.3 megabytes, ready to be shared to Edsby or anywhere else you want to send it. That fast.